Good afternoon. Hey. Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Sounds good. Bye. Good morning, Mr. Bowditch. How are you, sir? Yes, sir.
Then, ma'am, I am fine. How are you, Your Honor?
I'm wonderful. We're just waiting for Huron to join us.
I didn't know if I came in the midst of a docket or not.
No, I was done with the civil, was just waiting for your Huron.
How are your civil
already
dockets?
spoken to-
Are they voluminous? I
Are
said,
they,
how
I'm
are
sorry.
your civil dockets? Are they voluminous?
They're coming back. We'll see what happens, but I know that we slowed down a little bit, but I do feel like it's picking back up. You've already spoken to your client?
Yes, Your Honor. We're ready to proceed.
As soon as they log on, Andy just called and let me know that everyone was on their way. So hopefully they'll pop into the waiting room soon. Mr. Huddleston?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. You're fine.
I'm sorry, I look a little disheveled.
No, you're fine for our purposes. This is 210518 FY, State of Michigan versus Gary Wayne Huddleston Jr.
Yes, ma'am.
Appearances, please.
Your Honor, could I have the case number once again? I apologize.
It's 210518 FY.
Thank you, Your Honor. For the record, Your Honor, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Huddleston. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. We would waive formal reading, stand mute, ask the court to respectfully enter a not guilty plea on his behalf.
Sir, you're able to hear Mr. Bowditch this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bowditch, the court will indicate that in the file. Sir, you have a right to have a preliminary exam in this matter. You also have a right to have an attorney. There was a petition order for a court-appointed attorney attached to the front of the file. The court will sign the same, and you will be assigned counsel going forward. You also have the right to be considered for pretrial release. There is a recommendation from Huron Police Department requesting a $50,000 cash bond in this matter. Mr. Bowditch, what say you in response to that?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Huddleston is a 40-year-old individual who presently resides on Dugard with the understanding he can't go back to that address. He has another address to offer to the court where he'll be staying, or to offer to the police. If you review, as I have reviewed the information in the criminal history, it appears that most of Mr. Huddleston's matters with the law have involved a volatile relationship, of which has produced 2 children, one 12 and one 3. Other than that, he's been a 15-year employee at the same place, Magic Windows. He's not on probation. He's not on parole. And when I explained to him there was a cash bond demand, I asked if he would have any problem with a GPS tether. And maybe the court might consider that if the court was comfortable the couple was not anywhere remotely near each other. So we would ask for a personal bond, Your Honor, with a GPS tether.
I will depart from the recommendation of law enforcement and we'll set his bond at 10,000, 10% with the GPS tether, not to be released without tether.
Thank you, Your
During the
Honor.
pendency of this,
Thank you,
during the
Your Honor.
pendency of this matter. I'm sorry, did somebody say something?
We both said thank you.
Okay. During the pendency of this matter, Mr. Huddleston, is to have no contact with the complaining victim in this case, that being Nicolette Strickton. And sir, no contact means no contact, no direct contact, no contact through a third party, no contact through social media. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor, completely.
The next court date in this matter will be the probable cause conference on July 7th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. That's back Judge Martin, courtroom number 4 on your Zoom. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Bowditch, you said you had a different address for Mr. Huddleston?
Yes, Your Honor. He didn't share it with me, but he wishes to share it with either the court and the police department.
Your address, sir?
It's 24801 Kirsten, I have it in my iPhone because I've only been living there since this has happened. And my car, you just hit the button and it goes to it. So I'll be able to give it to the officer.
I'm sorry, 24801 Kirsten?
Kirstol, I believe is what it's called. It's at Harrison and Ford Road. It's in Garden City.
I'm not understanding the street name. Can you spell it? Do you know how to spell a street name?
No, I have it in my phone how to spell it.
Okay,
I use Apple Maps. I'm sorry.
that's okay. What I'll ask is when we're done, when you get your phone back, if you can give it to law enforcement, they'll hopefully relay it to the court so that future notices for you can be sent to the right address.
Absolutely.
Anything further, Mr. Bowditch?
Nothing, Your Honor.
Huron, do you need anything else?
That's it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir. Have a good
Thank
day,
you.
Austin.